last of my gifts for my birthday. I'm gonna be showing you other gifts. Wow. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god. Hey, God, Joe. No make a follow.
Go that day.
Never that they see all this kind love. Never that they see all this kind love. Oh, Che. It's so good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm finna cry. Thank you very much. This is just a tip of the iceberg. I'll be showing you the other ones I unboxed earlier. It was in the night, so don't expect the video to be so clear. Sometime this week, it was my birthday. I just unboxed it. I decided to do a video for you. It's been such a while. My birthday, I'm going to be showing you a few videos, the degree of how my birthday went.
Too much stuff. What do you mean?
Okay, these are my house.
This is your bag.
Trying to interrupt my
Very
video.
fine, no, launching.
Okay.
I'll launch it tomorrow.
This is my cousin. Choma, that food that you put on to the
It's
face.
really small.
Please remind me for us, please. Choma, say hi to my YouTube fans.
Hi, YouTube.
Come say hi to my YouTube fans.
Food, Jamal, food.
Hi, Johnny. Our YouTube family.
Where is the YouTube family? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Come back on time, but bring back bread. Okay, so as I was saying, but I also interrupted. My birthday was I didn't celebrate like so
Who
much.
is cooking this?
I went to work.
Nah.
Can you stop passing this video?
YouTube family, sorry. I did live video.
No, it's not live video. So I went to work on that day. Shut up! You put it, shut up! Okay.
Hey.
Okay, this is the reason why I cannot have this video in peace.
I don't want to be a mechanic. I want to be bothered. I want to do birthday so that they'll give me gifts to unbox. Please, I want to unbox it.
Hey.
Give it to me.
Nah, it's like it will be useful to me in this YouTube channel. Since you are here now, come outside and do this birthday.
Hi, my name is Justice.
Come outside, this place is dark.
I like that. That's how
So like I'm perpetuating your evil.
I'm Musuma and I'm that kind of
It was just almost like a normal day though. I woke up, I was awake from 4 till 5 midnight when my housemates baptized me with water, and then I had to stay awake because I was getting a lot of calls, as star girl things. So I was getting a lot of calls and posts on WhatsApp everywhere. The internet was on fire. So I slept by almost 2 a.m. and I woke up by 7 a.m. to go to work. I was at work almost the whole day, and my boss got me a cake, and my madam got me a bottle of wine. So they had a mini celebration in the office. Okay, I forgot to mention, Olive brought food to my office. Dispatch rider. She got to say that there was a dispatch rider that was waiting for me that sent someone. So I just went outside and saw that she was the dispatch rider. I said I was sounding like I was going to die over the food. So she brought food. She bought food for me and brought it to my office. That was sweet. That was really sweet. So I got home and I went to church because it was Wednesday and I had to attend the service. Got to church and after service, the pastor was like, "Oh, today's your birthday. Okay, hop in. Let the brethren take you out." So went out, got back. Wanted to rest though. This girl now said, "Come outside, come and spend time with us. It's already night now. Come and spend time with us. We spent the whole day outside." So I came outside only to a box of gifts, a bag of gifts, and I was just unboxing and shouting, "Holy Father! Holy Father!" I was screaming. So it was a whole lot. I have the best housemates, I have the best friends. Thank you all for everything. Like, literally, the internet was on fire for me. I saw me every single where. So it was really nice. It was nice and felt good. Like, this is chapter 23. We have like 100 more to go, or 90 something more chapters. So grateful. I'm grateful for this new phase of my life, and it calls for a lot of responsibility. I know. Sometimes I don't want to be an adult. I just want to be a kid again, but life is having none of that. So I'll see you in my next video. For now, I'm not in the mood to do motivational speech. Just manage my unboxing video and rejoice with me. Peace.